Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get free traffic for CPA offer. I'm going to share with you a step-by-step strategy. You need to watch this full video. Before we start, I want you to please subscribe our channel and like this video. First of all, you can go on CPAGRIP platform. Guys, this is the best and most popular CPA platform. This platform is available worldwide. So no matter what country you are in, you can use this platform from anywhere in the world. Here you can see dashboard of CPAGRIP platform. CPAGRIP platform have easy to understand dashboard. Here you can see a statistics overview of CPAGRIP platform. First of all, let me show you how you can choose best CPA offer. In next step, I will show you how to create attractive landing page. And in third step, I will show you how to get free traffic for CPA offer. First of all, you need to create account on CPAGRIP network. You can click on sign up now button. It will then take you to this page. You can type here your first name, last name. You can type here your address. You can type here your email address, password. You can accept its terms of service. And at last, you can click on register now button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. Here you can see today's revenue. You can click on offer tools button. You can click on my offers button. You can select your United States country. Here you can see CPA offers. All these CPA offer is accept in United States country. And here you can see accept in device. This CPA offer is accept in Android device. This CPA offer is accept in Apple iOS device. You can promote email submit CPA offer because it's easy CPA offer. You can click here to open this CPA offer. Here you can see payout rates. Here you can see accepted countries. And here you can see accepted device. Here you can see CPA link. When people from United States visit on the CPA link using Android device, then they will be redirected on the CPA offers landing page. When that person will just enter his email address, then you can get $2.31. First of all, you will have to create landing page to promote this CPA offer. You can create landing page using Google site. You can go on Google and you can search your Google sites. You can visit on this URL. Now you can click here to open this blank template. You can click here to delete this header section. Now you can type your site name. Now you can insert your image. You can go on CPAGRIP platform. Here you can see image. You can right click here, click on copy image address button. Go on Google site, click on images button. Click on select button. Click on link button. Now paste your image URL. Click on insert image button. Now you can drag this image here. Now you can type your attractive text. Click on text box. You can type here this kind of text. Now I'm going to add your button. Click on button. Type your button name. Now you can insert your CPA link. Go on CPAGRIP platform. You can click here to copy this CPA link. Now go on Google site and paste your CPA link. Click on insert button. Drag this button here. Now you can click here to duplicate this button. You can drag this button here. Okay, after completing it, you can click on publish button. Click on publish button. Yeah, here we go. My Google site has published successfully. You can click here. Here is showing Google site link. You can share this link with your friends to get visitors. I'm going to show you how to get free traffic for CPA offer. You can go on freead1.net platform. Guys, this is the best platform to get visitors for CPA offer. You can publish free ads without registration. Here you can see categories: job, service, sell and buy, community, auto. This platform have lots of categories. You can choose categories according to your CPA offer. Let me show you how you can post free ad. You can click on post free ad button. It will then take you to this page. You can choose your category. You can choose category according to your CPA offer. You can choose your subcategory. Now you can type your title, you can type your description. You can also add here your website URL. You can go on Google site, you can click here. You can click here to copy this link. Go on this website. You can paste here your Google site URL. You can scroll down. Now type your email address. You can type here this code. Now you can paste here your website URL. You can scroll down. You can choose your country. You can choose United States country. Guys, here you can see this CPA offer is allowing United States country. You can choose here United States country. You can scroll down. You can upload your picture. This picture will help you to get more visitors. You can go on CPAGRIP platform and you can right click on this image. Click on save image button. You can save this image. Now you can go on free ads platform. You can upload here that picture. You can scroll down. At last, you can click on post free ad button. Yeah, here we go. As you can see, congratulations message. Your ad has been published successfully. You can click here to view your ad. Here you can see my advertisement. Here you can see title. Here you can see description. And here you can see website URL. Here you can see image. When any person will click on this URL, then they will be redirected on my Google site. When people from United States click on this button using Android device, then they will be redirected on the CPA offers landing page. When that person will just enter his email address, then you can get this amount. Guys, you can also share your Google site on Facebook group, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, and all social media platforms to get more visitors. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel and like this video, and also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.